Hey guys, I'm Amanda.
What?
What's up? What's up, you guys?
So we got a special video today, and here is my friend Amanda. You guys might know her as Amanda Rach Lee. We go way back. She's actually one of my high school friends. We went to art high school together. And today we're gonna be working with Clip Studio Paint. They actually challenged us to pick 3 random themes and make our unique art pieces out of it.
Yes, so we have 3 different categories of keywords we're gonna be picking at random, and then we're gonna go off and create pieces in our respective styles and see what we can come up with.
So as we mentioned before, we're gonna be drawing in Clip Studio Paint today. And for those of you guys who don't know, Clip Studio Paint is an art program that is built for illustrators, animators, comic book artists, basically anybody within the art industry. And it runs on a wide variety of operating systems. So you got Windows, you got macOS, iPhone, iPad, Android, Galaxy, and Chromebook. I think I got it all. And if you guys are interested in checking out Clip Studio Paint today for yourself, they have a 3-month free trial down below that I'm gonna link in the description.
Should we just like get into picking the keywords?
Let's do it!
Yo! So we have 3 different categories. We have a color, a mood, and then kind of a topic. And we'll have to integrate these into our final drawings or illustrations.
Do you want to do the honors?
I guess I'll do the honors.
Do the honors.
Ready? I got purple.
Purple.
I don't use purple that much in
I don't use purple that much either, so this is gonna be a good challenge. The next category is mood. I will do the honors, okay?
You go for it.
I'm gonna completely randomize this. We don't know what we're gonna get. Calm.
Purple, calm.
Purple and calm. I think that goes pretty well.
That's pretty good, actually. Okay, and then the final category of keyword is the topic. So we have the actual item that will integrate into whatever we create. Do you wanna get something good? I'm scared.
Home.
Okay, wait, I actually kind of like that. We have to create something using purple, something calm, and then like something
related to home. Calm is like the perfect theme for me because I love putting calm themes into my drawings.
Maybe his will be.
No. Guys, here's a lesson for you guys, all right? Be nice to yourself. Don't be like Amanda here. Wow. Be nice to yourself.
That's good.
So Amanda and I actually sat down and did some sketching and brainstorming just to figure out what we're gonna do for our specific topics. And since we got the concepts of purple, calm, and home, we definitely wanted something a little bit more cozy. So I briefly sat down to figure out what kind of pose or position my character would be in and what would the composition look like with some basic thumbnails and some basic color sketches. All right, so after some deliberate planning, after some flipping the canvas around and being horrified at what I saw, you can see here is the final sketch that's ready to be rendered. I decided to give her a tablet and a pen so that it looks like she's about to draw or something, because I think sitting on the couch at home during the sunset with the tablet in your lap, thinking of an idea to draw. Guys, just visualize that in your head. I think that's like the most calming thing in the world. I don't know, maybe the idea of thinking of what to draw next brings you a lot of panic. In that case, I'm sorry. So I think this gives you a good sense of the color scheme of the scene. It's gonna be very warm, and the wall behind her is gonna be a purplish color. So I think for the most part, this is pretty solid, and I wanna go in and start doing some rendering and take you guys along for the process. And of course, we're gonna be using Clip Studio Paint. I'm going to just duplicate this layer and kind of just start to paint on top of this, because I think this is a very solid foundation, and it'd be a waste to just start all over again. Why do more work when less work do trick, is what I always say. And one thing that I love is when you hold down Shift, look at this, you can see the path of that straight line that you're making. So when you click it, there's no like, there's no surprises. All right, so what I've done is I've put the couch on a separate layer. I've put the background on a separate layer, and I'm gonna then put the character, the cat, and the birds, and the plants in the back too, actually. I'm gonna put them all on separate layers so that when we go and edit these individual elements in our painting, it becomes a lot easier and we don't have to worry about painting over things. And now we need her cat, Bruce, on his own separate layer. And there we go. There he is on his own separate layer. Plants. Nice green, big, healthy plant. Unlike a lot of you guys, Kara is able to keep her plants alive. Usually when I'm painting a painting, I like to go from the back to the front, and that's exactly what we're gonna do here. So as you can see, this brush is leaving behind some very beautiful blended marks. I'm personally a very big fan of the brushes in Clip Studio Paint. They feel just like traditional art brushes. at that lighting. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna put some drawings on the wall just to really get the sense across that she likes to draw. I don't know what drawings to put on there though. This is like a drawingception. I'm drawing a drawing within a drawing and I don't really know what to draw on the drawing within the drawing. Wait a minute, what did I just do? Oh. Do you see this? What if I just left the final piece like this? Well, if you guys want fun brushes with cool effects, Clip Studio Paint's got you covered. I'm gonna undo that now. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm getting a warmer tone to brush onto the couch because I'm assuming that the sunlight is gonna hit other areas of the room and part of it is gonna bounce back onto the surfaces of the couch and perhaps even the character. Moving over to a blue here to get some ambient lighting on the surfaces of the couch. Pretty good so far, guys. We're doing pretty good so far. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the background, which is I'm gonna fill in the color of the couch and just use a hard light layer to bring out the brighter colors in the areas of direct sunlight. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good so far. Now let's get on to the fun part. Let's start working on our character. And you know what, now that I've been looking at this piece for a while, I think there are some things that I might want to fix with the original sketch for the character. Mostly the eyes, I think I want them to be a little bit more tilted, but I don't really want to draw the whole thing over again. So this is where Clip Studio Paint's new Liquify feature comes into play. Liquify for the longest time was the one thing that I thought was missing from Clip Studio Paint, but now that they've added it, I don't really have anything to complain about anymore. Let me show you guys how to use this. We have Liquify selected right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the layer that I want to change, and I'm going to take my Liquify brush and just start to push things around, and it works super smoothly. Now, what I love about Clip Studio Paint's Liquify is you can see all the layers underneath while you're moving a specific layer around, so you know exactly where you want to move it. And in my particular case, I think I want her eyes to be a little bit more aligned, so I'm going to just push this over a little bit, push the other one up a little bit, and readjust the proportions of the face. Okay, so I like the changes that I've made. Now I'm gonna render the character. Look at that, guys, she's coming together. All right, so we've been doing a bit of rendering for a while, but moment of truth, what we're gonna do now is we're going to flip the canvas and see if everything looks right still. Please. You know what, for the most part, I think it looks okay, but I think we might need to make some small adjustments. Once again, Liquify. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. Let's do a little bit more refinement on the character. Look Okay, so I think we've got a pretty good idea of what this entire scene is gonna look like. So this is where I get to play around and add in a little bit more of the smaller details. We do have a lot going on in this scene, so it might take a little bit longer than usual, but I'll check back in with you guys with another progress update. So basically, after having set down most of this painting, I can now go in and add in some of the smaller details. For all of my paintings, I like to work from the big shapes down to the small, because I'm the kind of person that if I don't really understand or foresee how this piece is gonna turn out, I probably will lose myself along the way. So that's why for this entire process, you've seen me work from the back to the front, from the big to the small. And to be honest with you guys, I think laying down the main shapes and the main lighting elements is probably less time consuming than actually fleshing out the small details. This right here honestly feels like it takes a long time and doesn't make that much of a big change to the overall painting. But I mean, what can you do? I think for the most part though, I'm actually really happy with the way that her face has turned out and the way that her expression has turned out. Because believe it or not, I didn't have a reference for her face or for her expressions, so this is almost completely from imagination. And that's something that I like to advise people against doing. But I guess do as I say and don't do as I do. And while I shot this video in one go, I usually like to take 2 sittings for most of my paintings so that I can come back to it with a fresh eye and kind of approach it from a different perspective where I'm not numb to the mistakes that I've made. But as you can see in the process video, I've been avoiding the leaves a little bit, and I do have a little bit of problem with drawing foliage, so I might have to find some references later and revisit the painting. And I might also actually come back and readjust the colors a little bit and make some overall changes to the lighting. But honestly, for the most part, I'm really happy with how this piece is turning out, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished result. I feel like I'm in a classroom about to present my work. We're back. Been a week, and we had some time to work on our pieces based on the themes of purple, calm, and home. Honestly, I really enjoyed the themes that we picked out. I think they matched pretty well with my style. Okay.
I'm excited.
All right. Are you guys ready for this? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
There she is.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait, that's so cute.
I don't really work so much with purple in my
neither do I.
A lot of my pieces, so I was like, how do I even put this in here? So I put it on the wall, but then I was like, that's kind of basic. So I included like the sunset because
yeah, we both kind of added the sunset features.
Purple makes me think of sunset.
Yeah, same.
So put that in there with the sunlight and you know, sitting at home drawing, I feel like that's pretty calm. And obviously she's in a home environment, so.
And the burb.
The burbs, can't forget about the burb. Clip Studio Paint definitely can be used for a wide variety of different styles. I've seen comic book artists use it. I've seen illustrators use it. I've seen like digital, like animators, digital painters like me, you know. All right, so we did it.
We did it.
But if you guys want to see what Amanda came up with, which is completely different from mine, and it's actually very, very cute, okay? You guys want to see it, so go check out her channel, go see her video, see how she made everything that she made. And it's an insane amount of work, guys. She put in so much. So what I'm saying is you definitely want to go to her channel, check it out. I'm gonna link that video in the description below. And
they must have some high expectations now. I feel very hyped
they better. And I just want to say thank you once again to Clip Studio Paint for sponsoring this video and for giving us this art challenge. It's been really, really fun for us to do, and it's nice to get together and shoot a video again.
Yeah, normally we're doing art alone, so this is like fun.
And if you guys want to check out Clip Studio Paint for yourself, they have a 3-month free trial. I'm gonna link that down in the description below. And it works on a wide range of operating systems, so it doesn't hurt to try it out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and do it right now. Do it right now. I'm gonna come find you and I'm gonna destroy you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye. Yeah, I also enjoyed the themes. I think it worked really well. The purple actually did trip me up a little because I really don't use purple that much, but in the end, we got there. There's a little twist at the end, I think, so.
Ooh,
okay.
Twist.
Shout out Clip Studio.
Shout out to Clip Studio Paint.
Round of applause.
Round of applause to us for the suspense.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah, so my plan was to make.
Okay, so let's explain the challenge. So Clip Studio Paint,
I'm gonna put this all in. This is for mine. Amanda,
so we have
intro.
to be serious.
No.
What's up, little doodles? It's like you can talk in real life, but then when you start shooting a video, it's like you just cannot talk anymore.
It's so
like,
normal.
What am I doing?
Hey guys, I'm Amanda.
What?
What's up? What's up, you guys? Hey guys, I'm Amanda.
What's up, guys? I'm Sam.
and I am a content creator, illustrator. I also create stationery products. You might know me as Amanda H. Lee on the interwebs.
I am...
Who are you?
I forget who I am. Who am I?